So good morning students. So the previous day we complete the input unit. So today onwards we are going to study about output devices. So what is the use of output devices? Output devices is used to get the output. So we already studied that input unit and the processing unit. So from the input unit we take the data and instruction. So through the CPU we perform that operation. So we want the output. So this is done by output unit only. So the normal and the most used output unit is monitor. So monitor is nothing but a screen. It's the most common form of output. So it displays the information in the similar way that shown on the television screen. So same as our television screen only. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of tiny colored dots are called pixel. So a picture is represented in the form of pixel only. Pixel is nothing but there are too many dots are there. Too many dots. So when you are moved to the your mobile phone camera, you can see that there are 4 pixel, 5 pixel, 16 pixel, 48 pixel. So pixel means it increase the clarity. So picture is on a screen is made up of thousands of tiny colored dots called a pixel. So that is important what you mean by pixel. So there are different types of monitors are available. So first one is called a CRT monitor. CRT. CRT means cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. So this type of monitors are normally not available nowadays. Nowadays we are using LCD and LED monitors only. So CRT is means it is same as our television working. It contains an electron gun. So in the back side of that glass, there is one electron gun is there. So from that electron guns, electrons are emit, and there is a screen is there. So the screen is phosphorus coated screen. Phosphorus. So when that electrons are touched on that phosphorus coated screen, it emit light. So this is the working of CRT. So the fires means this electron gun fire electrons at the group of phosphorus dot which is coated inside the screen, which means that in the screen, the behind of that screen, phosphorus is coated. So when the electrons are strike, which means that the electrons are touched on that screen, they glow to give the colors, which means that when the electrons are touched on that screen, the light is emitted. So this is the working of CRT. Next one is called LCD. LCD means liquid crystal display. So sometimes it is called a TFT. TFT means full form means thin film transistor. So LCD use the concept is called polarization of light. Polarization. So liquid crystal is a material used to create each pixel on the screen. Same using only. This material has a property like that it can be polarize the light. Polarization means positive and negative polarization. So due to this polarization, the pixel is created. So another type of called liquid crystal display is called a TFT. So devices which each pixel is set like a charge only. Charge. Positive charge and a negative charge. So this is the working of LCD. So next one is called a plasma monitor. Plasma. So plasma is some different than the LCD monitor. Plasma technology containing an electrically charged ionized gas. One gas is there, electrically charged ionized gas. So when the electricity is passed through that gas, when the light is glowing, this is the working of plasma monitor. So plasma monitor use electrically charged ionized gas. So when the electricity is passed through that gas, it will display the colors. So next one is called a touch screen. So nowadays we are using touch screen, and we already studied that what is working of touch screen. So it is created or built by touch sensitive materials. So the exact working means if you are touch on that screen, that corresponding a light, so that a light is passing through that screen. When we touch on that screen a particular area, that light will broken and that particular area is selected. So this is a working of touch screen. So nowadays another type of monitor we are using, organic LED, organic light emitting diode. So here organic means it use the organic materials, it use the organic materials. So in LED we are using not organic material, but in OLED monitors are created from pushing an electric current through organic materials. So that's why it display color. So the main difference between organic light emitting diode and other CRT and LCDs are organic liquid